A drop of water, a spark of light. Have you ever looked at a single drop of water and wondered what it could do? Not just in terms of quenching your thirst or nourishing a plant, but in the sense of its hidden potential. What secrets might be locked inside something so small, so ordinary yet so essential to life? It can quench your thirst, help a flower grow, but could it light up a bulb? Could something as simple as a droplet, falling from a leaf or a tap, actually create energy? It sounds almost impossible, like something out of a science fiction story. For years, we thought you needed massive dams and roaring rivers to get electricity from water. These huge structures have powered cities and industries, harnessing the sheer force of nature to keep our lights on. But what if I told you science has found a way to generate power from just one drop? Imagine the possibilities if every tiny droplet could be a miniature power plant. This is a journey into a new field where the tiniest things can have the biggest impact. It's a story about how innovation can turn the ordinary into the extraordinary, and how the smallest details can change the world. Imagine a world where morning dew or raindrops could generate electricity. Every rainy day, every misty morning, could become a source of clean, renewable energy right at your fingertips. It's not magic, it's physics, and it's surprisingly simple. The science behind it is elegant, using the natural properties of water and materials to create something new. We're about to dive into the heart of a water molecule and see how it can give up its electrical secrets. By understanding what happens at the tiniest scale, we can unlock new ways to power our world. For centuries, we've harnessed water's power with massive structures like the Hoover Dam. These engineering marvels have shaped our landscapes and our lives. But this new method is different. Subtle, quiet, and doesn't rely on brute force. It's about precision, about harnessing the gentle touch of a single drop. Instead, it uses a gentle interaction between water and a special surface. When the drop lands, something remarkable happens at the microscopic level. It's like discovering a whisper can be as powerful as a shout. The tiniest movement, the smallest spark, can set off a chain reaction. So, can a single drop of water light a bulb? The answer is yes, at least a tiny one. It's a small step, but it hints at a future where every drop counts. This discovery opens new doors for clean energy. It could change how we think about power, making it more accessible, more sustainable, and more in tune with nature. It reminds us there are still incredible secrets hidden in the everyday world. Sometimes, the most amazing breakthroughs come from looking at the familiar in a new way. Let's start this adventure and uncover the power inside a simple drop of H2O. Science is awesome, and who knows, maybe the next big idea is already waiting in the palm of your hand. Let's see how a single drop can change everything. The journey begins now, not your grandfather's water power. When you think electricity from water, you probably picture huge dams and spinning turbines, those iconic symbols of industrial power that have shaped our modern world for over a century. Hydroelectric dams use the immense force of water to spin massive turbines, generating enough power to light up entire cities and fuel industries. These structures are engineering marvels, harnessing the natural flow of rivers to create reliable, renewable energy. Tidal and wave power also rely on the large-scale movement of water, capturing the relentless push and pull of the ocean to generate electricity. These systems are designed to tap into the energy of nature's most powerful forces. All these methods need big machines, big infrastructure, and big bodies of water. They're built on a grand scale, often altering landscapes and ecosystems. They harness kinetic energy, the energy of motion, on a massive scale, turning the raw power of moving water into electricity we use every day. But now, let's flip that idea on its head. Imagine shrinking the entire process down to something almost invisible. Forget the dams and turbines. The new discovery happens at an unimaginably small scale, the atomic level, where the rules of physics and chemistry take over. This method doesn't need a river, just a single droplet and a specially designed surface engineered at the nanoscale. It's a revolution in how we think about generating power. Instead of spinning machines, it uses the chemical and electrical properties of water itself. unlocking energy from the tiniest interactions between molecules and surfaces. It's a new way of thinking about water and energy, more chemistry and physics than heavy engineering, more about precision than brute force. It's about what happens when just a few water molecules slide across a specially crafted surface, setting off a cascade of tiny electrical events. Positive and negative charges are separated, creating an electrical current from a movement of molecules, an effect invisible to the naked eye, but powerful in its potential. Traditional hydropower is like a sledgehammer, using overwhelming force. This new method is like using tweezers, working with delicate precision at the smallest scales. Both approaches work, but in fundamentally different ways. One reshapes rivers, the other manipulates molecules. This is where the real magic of modern science begins, opening doors to new possibilities for clean, efficient energy. Let's see how this groundbreaking technology actually works, and what it could mean for the future of energy, a new discovery. So what's the breakthrough? Scientists recently found a way to generate a surprisingly high voltage from a single droplet of water moving over a special surface. They managed to light up a small neon bulb, proof that the concept works in practice. The voltage was over 140 volts from just one droplet, more than a standard wall outlet. Previous attempts at this only produced tiny, useless voltages. The key was a new combination of materials and a deeper understanding of the physics. The special surface wasn't just any plastic or metal. It was engineered to interact with water in a specific way. It could grab onto parts of the water molecules and separate their charges efficiently. This charge separation led to the high voltage. With the right materials, a droplet rolling downhill became a potent source of electricity. This was just the beginning. The splash was just the start of something big. Let's zoom in to see how it works. The secret life of a water droplet. To truly understand the hidden world of water, let's zoom in on a single water molecule, H2O. This tiny structure is a building block of all the water we see around us, from oceans to raindrops. Water is a polar molecule, meaning one side is slightly negative, while the other is slightly positive. This unique shape and charge distribution make water incredibly special and give it many of its remarkable properties. This polarity is the first clue to its electrical potential. It's what allows water to interact with other molecules and even conduct electricity under the right conditions. In a groundbreaking experiment, scientists created a surface that naturally holds onto electrical charges, almost like a magnet for certain ions. When a droplet touches a special surface, some water molecules split into ions, positive hydrogen ions and negative hydroxide ions. This process is called ionization, and it's the key to unlocking water's hidden energy. The engineered surface attracts and holds onto the negative charges. So as the droplet moves, it leaves a trail of negative ions behind, almost like footprints on a sandy beach. The rest of the droplet, now packed with positive ions, keeps moving forward, carrying its charge along the surface. This separation of positive and negative charges is, in fact, the very definition of electricity. It's how batteries and generators work. But here, it's happening in a single droplet. As the droplet moves, it stretches these charges even farther apart, creating a powerful electrical potential, energy just waiting to be used. It's just like stretching a rubber band. The farther you pull, the more energy you store. The droplet is storing energy in the form of separated charges. And all of this happens from a simple slide down a surface. It's a tiny but powerful process. This is how a single drop of water can become a tiny generator, producing electricity from nothing but its own movement and the special surface beneath it. The secret lies in the movement of the droplet and the unique properties of the engineered surface working together in harmony. Now, let's take a closer look at how the scientists built this remarkable setup and unlock the secret life of a water droplet. Let's build a droplet generator. How did the scientists do this? The experiment was simple and elegant. They made a special surface using a layer of FEP plastic coated with thin, conductive layer of indium tin oxide. The FEP interacts with water. The ICHO collects the electricity. They set the surface at a slight angle, like a tiny ramp. At the top, a device released single droplets of water. At the bottom, another electrode waited. As the droplet slid down, it became positively charged, leaving negative charge behind. When it reached the bottom, it completed a circuit and electricity flowed. Each droplet created a pulse of electricity. Drop, slide, flash. By changing the ramp angle and droplet size, they optimized the power output. It was a simple, effective way to prove their theory. Now, let's see what this tiny powerhouse can do. A tiny powerhouse. The results were stunning. Each droplet generated a continuous, direct current and over 140 volts of electrical pressure. The current was low, but the voltage was high, perfect for lighting things like neon bulbs or LEDs. The scientists connected their generator to a neon lamp, and as a droplet slid down, the lamp flashed. They even connected multiple generators to light up a string of 100 small LEDs. This crossed a critical threshold from scientific curiosity to potential technology. Generating over 100 volts from a droplet showed this was more than a lab trick. The simplicity and power of the device excited everyone. It suggested a new class of energy harvesting devices. High voltage, simple setup. This could change how we think about small-scale power. The next step, understanding the science behind it. Let's look at the principle that makes it all work. The secret? Static electricity. Let's break it down. This is a science of static. Here's how it works. The science of static. The key is the triboelectric effect, better known as static electricity. When two materials touch, one steals electrons from the other. The FEP surface is electron hungry. Water gives up some of its charged components. As water slides over FEP, negative charges are stripped away, leaving the droplet positive. Continuous movement creates ongoing charge separation and high voltage. This is called a droplet-based electricity generator, or DG. It's a new twist on a classic principle, static electricity, but with water and a solid, with creativity. Scientists turned a basic effect into something revolutionary. Power in your pocket and rain on your roof. Lighting a tiny bulb in a lab is cool, but what about real-world uses? This tech is perfect for powering small devices, medical implants, sensors, or monitors that need just a little power. Imagine sensors powered by dew or rain, running forever without batteries. Coating roofs or windows with this material could turn rain into electricity, powering emergency lights or security systems. The possibilities are endless. Umbrellas that charge your phone, water bottles that purify as you shake them, or pipes that generate power as water flows. From a single drop to an ocean of energy, the challenge now is scaling up. Scientists are working on networks of microchannels, thousands of droplet generators working together. 3D printing could create sponge-like materials with massive internal surfaces for water to flow through, multiplying the effect. Imagine rain panels, like solar panels, generating power from rain instead of sunlight. On sunny days, solar panels work. When it rains, rain panels take over. This could make renewable energy more reliable in all weather. Sometimes, game-changing inventions come from looking closely at the simplest things, like a drop of water. The future of energy might be in the rain.